How to use GetResponse to earn $400 per week. In this video, I will explain to you how to make $400 per week by using GetResponse. Using these ideas will undoubtedly increase your earnings. Watch the video to learn how to make money online. Let's start the video. Is there a way to make money using GetResponse has attracted the attention of both regular internet users and company owners. Watch on to learn about tried and true methods for making money using GetResponse, an all-in-one marketing platform. Do you know the features of GetResponse and what you can do with them? GetResponse is an email marketing solution developed to streamline business sales processes. GetResponse facilitates the automated exchange of messages and the sale of any product over the internet while gathering email addresses and other contact details from potential customers. Have a look at several easy steps you may apply to bring in at least $400 every week. Step number 1. Create an account on the GetResponse website. The basic plan should be chosen instead, which will only cost you $10.46 a month. This package gives you 1,000 email subscribers, which is the perfect number for this tactic. Remember, you'll be gathering emails with your email autoresponder and sending them to potential customers to get them to purchase your stuff. Step number 2. Visit the DripScripts website and create a free account. You may alter tested email sequences designed to convert leads into customers with DripScripts. There are several email sequences on this website, including the following: re-engagement with cold subscribers. Use this sequence to engage email subscribers who haven't opened or clicked on your emails lately. New product launch. Any product launch or limited time deal with an open-closed cart period should be promoted using this sequence. Post-webinar sales. After your webinar has ended, use this sequence to automatically create sales from participants and registrations information. For the sake of this plan, you should focus on the product launch sequence. You will get access to many email sequences using this, which you can use to advertise your items. Step number 3. Sign up for affiliate programs with companies like ClickBank, Warrior Plus, ShareSale, Jaffiliates, and others, and then decide which digital product you will push to make money. Although affiliate marketing may be profitable, it needs a considerable commitment of time and money to make it a successful company. Step number 4. After setting up for sales funnel, it is time to generate traffic to turn prospective customers into customers and get your commission. You may run sponsored advertisements using platforms like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Bing Ads, etc. if you have a small budget to work with. However, you should use free advertisements if you have no money to spend. There are several ways to generate free visitors to your website. Although they are accessible to everyone, their efficacy varies. To succeed, one must learn about them all and become an expert in them. You may utilize the following instances of free traffic: optimization for search engines SEO, making a Quora post, Reddit post, YouTube, guest blogging on other websites, social media, direct traffic, and email marketing. You can quickly generate a few sales every day if you perfectly follow the steps, and if you do, you'll earn at least $400 per week, if not more. This was all from my side to guide you on how to make $400 per week by using GetResponse. Please subscribe and press the bell button if you're new to the channel so you don't miss any new stuff. Comment below if this video was helpful or if you have any concerns regarding how to generate money.